What's up, you guys? It's the life of a young Mexican, and today we're gonna go hang out with another young Mexican. Guess what we're gonna be doing? By the sound of it, we're fishing. So we're gonna go trout fishing today, and hopefully we catch a lot of them. You know, hopefully. Well, either way, see you there. All right, we made it. So I just have to walk along the trail, and we'll get to our fishing spot. Hopefully, no one took it. See you there. What's up, Fabian?
Expert fisherman and shit.
Expert. What's up, Duke? This is Duke.
Gotta give him the lessons.
Damn well. I don't know how to fish with the shit. But this guy right here, he's the one that's gonna be catching everything. Dang. Oh, that one's not that big. We should let him go. Oh, you suck. What's up, you guys? We're back. He caught a small ass one because he still can't catch the big ones.
Pull it, break the bridge.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
No, don't take it, don't take it. Put my line down now.
As you can see, we're in a bit of a predicament. And especially because I'm trying to record with one hand.
Wait, hold on, don't do it.
Alright, hold up. I got this. I got this shit.
Can you go around that one right there, see?
Hmm?
See how it's like around?
Yeah, I know. Wait, hold up.
Fish out. Break it, break the bridge.
No, I'm not gonna.
Grab it.
Hold on. Dude, stop pulling on it. I got this. What'd I tell you? What does I got this mean?
Put the net.
No, watch this shit. Boom, got it. Take your fish.
What are you doing, Hunter?
Trying to catch a fish, and your dog's attacking it. Fabian just makes me come out here to take his fish and work with them, because he catches the fish. He doesn't like touching the fish. But his dog loves biting the fish.
Part of my deck. My crew.
Yes, Captain.
There we go, he's on.
He's on, but we need to get the hook off now. Stop it, Duke.
Hey, make him sit, tell him to sit.
Sit, dog.
Sit down.
Alright, now just take the hook and pull it out, and very carefully we toss him back in. Get out of here, Duke. Duke.
Hey.
Leave this fish alone. Good stuff. The viewers are gonna like watching a dog attack a fish. Duke. So we got two. We couldn't land one, but we did land one. So there he is down there, living life. But Fabian just caught him, but he went to go get the other fish because we left him behind. We're in a new spot. So as he's going to get the other fish, I'm gonna take the lure out of this guy's mouth and get him situated. Oh man, I think he's dying. He's gonna die because is that his gill? I think he ripped his gill out. He must have swallowed it and then tried spitting it back out or something. I don't know. Let me set this down. Looks like he got caught by the gill. Like it's pulling on his gill right now. You caught him by the gill.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I don't know how you did, but you ripped his gill out and he's gonna die. Alright. So, do you want to hold him and take a picture with him?
You do it.
There we are, there. You wipe him off. Alright, let's get him on there. Duke, grab him. It's a pretty nice fish, honestly.
He's not right on.
Let go. Let go, Duke. Let go.
Fuck it.
What are you doing, bro?
No, bro.
Got this all tangled, man. Hold this.
We got a fucking hammer out here. Fucking around. Okay. Oh, hammer.
So, fucking fisherman of the year. Fisherman of the year just caught another one. Nice one.
There we go.
Dude, what happened to all the big ones you were gonna catch? These ones are alright. I mean, they're big, but they're not as big. You know what I'm saying?
Normally we get bigger. We're all tangled up. That's why we weren't casting good.
Yeah, that's true. You can fix that after we get the fish out.
Alright, let's get the fish out ready.
Yep, I got you, man. I got you, man.
Now we're turning to Jaime right here. Expert fish taker outer and shit, huh?
Fish taker out. Can't catch anything. Hold up. Honestly, that's why I invited Fabian, guys, because I knew he was gonna be the one catching, and I know that. Did you get that?
What happened?
He came all over the place. You should tell your dog to knock it off.
Hey! Hey!
There you go. The fisher taker outer has succeeded. What is this thing?
Stringer, fool.
Huh?
Stringer.
String, dude? Your dog, bro. There they are, bro. What's up, you guys? I figured out the best way to end this fishing video was with the turtle. I don't know why. Just felt like filming him. See if he tries. Look at him. Ah! Don't bite me. Don't. I'm gonna stop torturing the turtle. So Fabian had to leave early because, like I said, he's a young Mexican. He claims to be Cuban, but pretty sure he's Mexican. Either way, the reason why he had to leave was for the Mexican tradition of a 15-year-old girl, the quinceañera. And he had to take off. He said he was one of the dancers, but then again, it's Fabian. Can't really trust him that much. He's probably just going just to go. Either way, we had a blast. We went on a Saturday, so there's a lot of people there. So we'll probably go during a weekday when there's hardly anyone there and get more fish, be a little less hectic. But for today, that's it. It's my turtle. Yeah, it's the life of a young Mexican. And we gone. We gone. I said we gone. Is this guy single?
Shit.
Leave a like and a comment on why you should be his next girlfriend, and maybe we'll hold a raffle.
Oh yeah.